Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Oh yeah, honey, I know that.
And I'm off on Sundays or Saturdays.
Right.
And that ain't fair!
No?
Because Sharif get 3 days and I get 2 days.
Oh,
That
really?
just ain't fair.
I guess not.
But when she gets older, he's gonna have no days. So just have to stay at home and be good.
Right, Mom.
You know you can go around him, Dad?
No, you're not. Cannot do that, Mom.